Hello friends, I would like to present to you today the latest CM2W sensor. Currently, the data-driven decisions are extremely important to increase the efficiency in a company, and tracking the consumption is one of the KPIs. If we take as an example the industrial hygiene market, where the laundry experts, in order to detect the level of the fluid in a container, they are using a low-level suction lenses with a dry contact. From one hand, this is a cost-efficient product, but from the other hand, it takes a bit longer time for the installation, mostly due to the wires. And from the other hand, we have a contact sensor. The dry contact is always inside the fluid, which in long term causes issues. This is the reason we, from CM2W, we have developed our own level sensor. The CM2W sensor has a couple of advantages. First, due to the wireless technology, the time needed for the installation is practically immediate. You simply open the canister, put this inside, and that's it. Second, the sensor is contactless and there is no interaction between the fluid and the sensor. Third, the sensor transmits continuously data to the CM2W platform, so you can track not only how full or how empty is the canister, but you can also see how much is the consumption for a selected period of time. The CM2W level sensor is applicable not only into the industrial hygiene market, but in any industry that pump fluids from open containers, open tanks. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon. Bye.